Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to upload your resume on Indeed using your phone. So whether you are on Android on the iPhone device, now you will learn how to upload a file, how you can edit your details in it, and how you can make it visible to your employers. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you can open either the Indeed mobile application or you can come here on indeed.com in your web browser. Once you are here, simply tap on the option of sign in first here on the top. Over here, you just have to log in into your account. If you already have your account on Indeed, it is well and good. But if you don't have it, you can create your account here with the help of your email address and your phone number. So once you have successfully logged in your account, when you tap on the option of profile icon or in your web browser, if you tap on the three lines here in the top right hand corner of the screen, when you go to your profile section, you will be able to see the option of uploading a resume or your personal details. If you are doing it on the Indeed's website, you will see the option of create your CV. So the best part about Indeed is that you can also create your CV here in the application. So if you haven't created your resume in Canva or in any other resume making applications, you can create your CV directly in the Indeed application. But if you have your resume ready, you just have to simply tap on the option of upload and start uploading your resume. You need to make sure that your resume is in the PDF or in the docx file, only then it will be uploaded successfully. If you want to make changes in your resume, you can definitely go ahead and do so, but make sure that you do it first before uploading it here on Indeed. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.